Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1966 Nova. This car here does have a 350 under the hood, aluminum heads. We're gonna be doing a test drive, taking off down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws I can find so you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. Got a set of aftermarket American racing rims, front disc brakes. We're going to be doing a two-part video, a walk around and a test drive. Go to maplemotors.com for shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, and all of our inventory that we update every Monday. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. So let's check out this interior before we take off down the road. On every video we do a horn pull. Do you think the horn works on this one? Coming across the dash, it's got a few little dry cracks in it. Interior looks pretty good. The carpet's nice and clean. Seats are in great shape. Headliner looks good, nice and tight. We do have an aftermarket set of gauges under the dash. Let's turn on the car. See, the oil pressure's coming up and the temperature is hooked up. They did not hook up the volts on it. We've got a radio here. We're going to try it out. The radio is not working on this one. Go ahead and try the... It's going to need a blower motor as well. Okay, I appreciate it. And then right here on the dash, it's showing 83,000 miles. I can't stand behind that. This is not the original motor. Looks like it don't have a wiper blade switch either. It needs a wiper blade switch put in here. Looking around just in case. It's got the lights and a lighter. I believe that's where your wipers are. It's going to need a switch to even work the wipers in here. Let's try this horn. Horn's not hooked up. Got a Hurst shifter here. Let's see how she runs and drives down the road, guys. Okay, guys, first thing that I noticed, you got seat belts in the rear, but you're going to need to install some seat belts into the front seats here. The old ones may have been deteriorating and somebody took them out. It's a very cheap fix there. We're going to take off down the road. Anything that I see, I will point out and let you know. That way you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. All right, guys, let's take off. So we're going straight down the road. No issues there, but you do have some slack in your steering. Look at that. It turns there, it turns here. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. This car definitely got some pep behind it. I believe we do have a kickdown on this one. Yeah, can't get over yet. The brakes, they're stopping fast. They feel pretty good. Definitely have to tighten that steering up. It's got some play in it. And I noticed as you turn, if you hold it here and you let go, it'll keep going that way. Same with this way. Of course, there's no power steering on this one. It definitely sounds mean. It's got plenty of power. I don't know how much gas is in this car. We're gonna go ahead and stop at the shell over here. It looks like our gas gauge is probably unhooked from the tank. Usually when it's pegged all the way to the full side, either the gauge is messed up or it's unhooked from the back. So I'm gonna pull in here and go ahead and put about $20 of the premium fuel in it, so I know that we have gas. I'll know pretty quick if it's full. All right, let's do it, guys. So far, the gas gauge ain't gonna be working because we've already got $10 worth of gas in this car. I think we may put a little extra. I can't drive over the camera, but I can do this. See how low that is? Ain't no driving over that. Getting ready to take off down the road here. Got everything set up. We're gonna go ahead and roll out. You dropped your gloves! You dropped your gloves on the ground. All right, yeah, he dropped his gloves back here. Figured he might need those. He had a big box truck. Had him distracted. All right, got y'all set up on the dash cam, on the head cam here, put you behind the wheel. We're gonna head on back to the car lot. Let these people get a little bit ahead of us, we'll open it up. Motor just wants to go. All right, wish I could find a whole country straightaway out here. It's too much of a city in Hendersonville. It's hard to find a nice secure place to go out and try these old classics out. We just need to buy this land. This is the land right behind the car lot. We make a little drag strip. Talk about sweet. We've been talking about building a little shop and putting some lifts and stuff in there. Speed bump's coming up in the middle of this road. Right here. Pretty smooth on suspension. Runs and drives good. The only thing I noticed about it, maybe the steering, put some power steering on it. Be a big upgrade to this one. I appreciate y'all watching. Check out that walk around video. I've got a bunch of cars to grab today, and we've got a lot of new inventory for next week already, and it's only Tuesday. Thank y'all. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com. We have all of our inventory, close to 100 detailed pictures of this car and every car on the lot. We have shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. You can give us a call, 615-822-4444. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe. I post videos like this every day and full car lot walkarounds. You can also check out that walk around. It's about to pop up the last 30 seconds of this video. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. Later.